Stay tuned for vital information on how you can stay safe during the 2024 hurricane season. With the 2024 hurricane season upon us, it is crucial to be prepared. Today we're going to share the 7 essential things you need to do to ensure you're ready for whatever Mother Nature throws our way. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Create a hurricane emergency plan. The first thing you need to do is create a hurricane emergency plan. This plan should include evacuation routes, a meeting place, and emergency contact information. Make sure everyone in your household knows the plan and practices it regularly. Tip 2. Build a hurricane emergency kit. Next, build an emergency kit. Your kit should have enough supplies to last at least 72 hours. Include items like non-perishable food, water, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget essentials for pets and any special needs family members. Tip number 3, secure important documents. Keep copies of personal, financial, and medical records in a waterproof container. Making digital copies and storing them securely online is also advisable. Tip 4, prepare your home. Trim trees and shrubs, secure loose items from your yard, and install storm shutters or board up windows. Check your roof and windows and make sure any necessary repairs are done to prevent leaks. Tip 5, stay informed. Staying informed is crucial. Sign up for local alerts and monitor weather reports from reliable sources. Have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio in case of power outages. Tip 6, know your evacuation zone. Know your evacuation zone and plan your route. If authorities advise you to evacuate, do so immediately. Have a plan for where you're going to go and how you're going to get there. Tip 7, protect your property. Last but not least, protect your property. Review your insurance policies to make sure that you're covered for hurricane damage. Take inventory of your belongings and consider flood insurance if you live in a flood-prone area. To help prepare you and your family for hurricanes and other household emergencies, visit Remediation911.com and download the ebook titled Emergency Action Plan, Starting the Process. With this free download, you can be sure that you're protected from damages from hurricanes, fire, water intrusion, mold, and more. If you want to stay updated with the latest in hurricane safety and preparation guides, make sure to hit the subscribe button. For comprehensive resources, our website, Remediation911.com, has you covered. Stay safe and stay prepared.